Lightning cable. Understanding its meaning and usage. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but commonly used phrase in the tech world: lightning cable. This phrase might sound mysterious, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how it's used. So, let's get started. A lightning cable is a type of connector used primarily by Apple Inc. for their mobile devices and some accessories. It's known for its slim, small design that can be inserted into a device in any orientation. This cable is used for charging and connecting Apple devices like iPhones and iPads to computers or charging adapters. Why is it called a lightning cable? The name, lightning, is actually a marketing term used by Apple. It suggests speed and efficiency, reflecting the cable's capability for fast data transfer and quick charging. The name doesn't have a literal meaning related to weather or electricity. Lightning cables are multifunctional. Their primary uses include 1. Charging Apple devices like iPhones and iPads. 2. Transferring data between a device and a computer. 3. Connecting to various accessories like docking stations and car chargers. It's important to distinguish a lightning cable from other types like USB-C or micro USB. Unlike these universal cables, the lightning cable is proprietary to Apple products, meaning it's designed specifically for, and mostly compatible with, Apple devices only. I hope this video has shed light on what a lightning cable is and how it's used. Remember, it's a specific type of connector for Apple devices, known for its speed and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English language learning journey.